Hey there everybody, welcome to Southern Ingenuity. My name's Theobald Hidman. Well guys, that's my septic tank. Oh yeah, had to have it pumped out a few days ago and I got a mess from where I had to dig it up to expose the access holes. Now I don't want to have to do that again. So in this video, I'm going to be making some concrete forms, bending rebar and pouring concrete to make an access riser around the entrance side of that tank. That way, if I ever have to have it pumped again, I won't have to do any digging or destroy my grass. So stay tuned. Now this riser is just going to be a simple concrete barrier made to hold back the soil from the septic tank opening and provide an elevated support for a new cover. It's going to be a square perimeter with 30-inch outside dimensions and 24-inch inside dimensions. Ground level is about 6.5 inches or so above the tank, so I'm going to make the riser 5 inches high and the cover 1.5 inches thick. Now just in case you're wondering why I've built such an elaborate form for the inside walls, I'm going to explain that real quick. Once the void is filled with concrete and it dries, concrete will be rock solid. The outside forms will be no problem to remove. Just remove the screws and tap the boards away from the concrete, no problem. The inside forms, however, is a different story. If I didn't have this built-in relief, I wouldn't be able to get this form out, or at least not easily. So what this form is going to allow me to do is remove these pieces, then I'll be able to separate the interior walls from the dried concrete. That allows the relief in order to be able to remove the form. Now the surface of the septic tank isn't exactly level, so I'm going to use a piece of aluminum bar stock to shim one side of the riser. That way it and the cover will be level with the ground surface. I'm then going to use some aluminum flashing and roofing tar to seal the gaps around the inside to prevent the groundwater from seeping into the tank. Well, that just about wraps this project up. Just got a little leveling to do and get some grass seed on it this spring and she'll be good to go. But I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you hadn't already, click the subscribe button. I got some more videos coming soon. So until next time, I'm Theobald Hedman. Thanks for watching Southern Ingenuity.